You'll be fine. All right? Screw Maggie's book. You got your own book. People want the truth and get it straight from the horse's mouth.
Right.
From the horse's mouth. Hearing something directly from the person who really knows the most about it. Examples.
Well, thanks for coming by. We were just so excited, I thought you should hear it from the horse's mouth. What exactly happened?
It's gonna take as long as it takes.
Well, it better not be more than a day or I won't need it at all.
It's so good to hear this from the horse's mouth.
What's that supposed to mean?
It means the next time you want me to break the law, at least have the balls to ask me yourself.
I just want to know from the horse's mouth what is the dealio. Am I too
Michael
short?
has nothing to do with your looks, okay? It's your personality.
People want the truth and get it straight from the horse's mouth.
Right.
It's so good to hear this from the horse's mouth.
I just want to know from the horse's mouth what is the
Michael,
dealio.